What's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Unpredictable. So today I'm gonna show you my new SMK helmet which comes with pin lock and fog resistant lens. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. So let's see. So let's open the box now. It cost me around 4,350. Let's see what's inside. There's a key locket and there's some stickers of SMK stickers, and this is the manual. So I'm gonna show you. It comes with a sun protective glass as well.
This is the overall look of the helmet. Let's peel this thing off nice and slowly. And this one here is the helmet chin strap mount. I also bought this offline for rupees 800. And this one here is flat surface, flat placement camera mount, just for rupees 150 offline. These things really help us to hold our action cameras, and I think this is the right position to put your action cameras, so to give your videos a good look from your bike while you are riding a bike. From my perspective, this is the best place. This is the anti-fog lens which I was talking about. It comes for free.
This is the ring keyring which comes free. Probably there must be a sticker also. Yeah, this one.
I'm really sorry, I forgot to mention about this extra feature which we get in this helmet. So there is a portion which you can open up and you can put your Bluetooth headphones, and while you are riding you can receive your calls. And as I purchased this helmet offline from Gear Fury, which is in Guwahati, Jayanagar, I'll be making a video on Gear Fury and the gears available in that shop. If you are a bike enthusiast, you should really visit this place once in a while. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my next video which is coming pretty soon.